Okay, we are here once again in our today's tutorial. That should be tutorial number 17. And today with me here, I have Coco Boy in the studio. Coco Boy, say hello. Good boy. So today he's he's rocking with me today on the studio. Has been disturbing me, so I have to bring him to the studio today so that we can rock together. Okay, Coco Boy, you have to behave yourself, eh? Good. So don't make noise. Don't make noise. Yeah. Bye bye. Say bye bye. Yeah. Good boy. So no, yeah. No making noise. No making noise. Allow me to teach. Okay. Good boy. So just watch and learn. Okay. Good boy. Be a good boy. Okay. Okay. So let's go. And today's tutorial we are going to bring do more on printing and serial ports and printing command. Arduino serial port and print command. That should be tutorial number 17. Yes, tutorial number 17. So we are going to go ahead. Okay, keep quiet, don't make noise. So we are going to go ahead so that we can see. Let's go to the system so that we can see what we have to offer today. Okay, so now, okay, so we have integers just like we did on tutorial number. We did on tutorial number 15 where we printed the voltage on the board with our print command. We printed the real world voltage and the scaled value, just the same thing. So you can refresh on that course, and you can that course will help you to understand what we are doing today. Today we are just going to print so that you can see how you can print with your Arduino. We have been sending information to the Arduino. We have also been taking information voltage from the Arduino, and this time around we are going to use the serial monitor, which I showed you where you can get your serial monitor to see what Arduino has to tell us on the command we give to Arduino. You can see something is going on here. There's something going on here. You can see in this serial monitor something is going on here. So okay, so I will re-download it again, so we'll start afresh so that we can code. We can see how we can print in our serial monitor. So we have the integer of j is equals to 1, and we have long delay. I have long d, integer of delay 3000. So in voice setup we say serial begin. Like I told you, serial begin, you have your what? You have your baud rate. I can show you here in serial monitor. You have series of baud rate. This is 9600. So you have so many baud rates. Whichever one you choose, make sure it corresponds with the one you have in the program here. For example, this is, I choose what? I choose 9600. This is 9600. So you have here, you have 9600 here. This is, so if I choose this one, I also come here and put it. So anyone you choose, make sure it's the one you are writing the program with. Yes. So that is it. Now let's go and see and program. In serial print, serial print, you have serial.begin. You write your baud rate, serial.begin. You put your baud rate. This is, remember to put your semicolon. I'm doing it this way so that we'll be fast. So I'm not a good typing. I don't type very fast, so it will take much of our time if I start typing here. So I will just edit and type the small, the little ones we can do here. So but understand what I'm trying to say. And so we have we introduce an integer of j here, and j is equals to what? It is equals to 1. Okay, we'll still come to float. J is equals to 1. So now I can say, okay, j is equals to 1. Let's print it. Print serial.print in line. Print in line. Let's just remove print in line. Just say print, and let's see how it looks like. Okay, and let's remove these ones and say j is equals to 1. Okay, let's remove this. So let's remove this and just say print j. Print j. Okay. Print j. Remember? Okay, and let's copy it so that it will be easy for us. Okay. So let's delete it. So print j and see what this is going to be. So something, I have to do something here, and this camera too is gonna pick it up. Okay. Okay. I remember vividly our program on potentiometer. Our program on potentiometer. Okay. Good. So I've already hooked up my Arduino. Let me go. Okay. So I've already hooked up my Arduino. I'll have to remove my Arduino program, my Arduino board, sorry, from the system. Arduino board from the system so that we can see. Okay. So good. So I like this shot. So let's go back to the system so we can see. See, I've hooked up my Arduino. I removed my Arduino, sorry, from the system. Let's see. Okay. 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 Since the Arduino is out, and let me print and see. Let me upload. Wow. Problem uploading to board. See, enable board. What is the meaning of this? Okay, you can see I have my board here with me, and I'm having this message. I have my board here with me. This is my board with me here. I have my board, and I have the message on the screen. Because the board was not hooked up and are trying to print. So in case you have such message and you didn't hook up your board, you just hook up your board because board at COM3 is not available. So I hook up my board at COM3. I make sure that I check my tools. I check COM3. I see Uno. Sorry, see what I'm saying? Make sure that I check look at it, board at COM3 is not available. So I hook up my board, I go to tools, I go to COM3, my ports, I see COM3, Uno is available. I look at, I look at board, I see that Arduino Uno is available. So I can now also print again and send my command again. Okay. Okay, we have the happy little green bar is there. Okay, now let's go to our serial monitor. Let's see something. Wow, we're seeing something is printing. Okay, it's printing horizontally, and it's printing 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. What is going on here? Why is it printing 1 1 1 1 1? Look at what we said here. We say integer j is equals to 1, and say print serial.print j, that is print 1, delay long d, and long d is through what? 3000 milliseconds, that is 3 seconds. Okay, so that's why it's printing like this. So when you say print in line now, let's put print ln, print ln. So when we write print ln, what we will see, let's upload it and see. Something will start happening here. Can you see? It's printing what? It's printing print in line. It's printing what? Vertically now. It's printing what? Vertically. So that is the difference when you just write only print and print ln. So the commands are what are different. So I just want to bring different scenarios so that you understand your printing command in Arduino IDE. Okay, so now let's introduce something here. We deleted something here. Let's also do Ctrl V and paste it back. So j equals to j plus 2, which will give you what? J equals to what? J plus 2. So what you are telling the Arduino IDE to do is to add j increment of 2. So you will be adding 2 to 1. That is it. So 2 plus 1, 3. So you'll be going on, it will be moving at three intervals. Okay, so let's download it and see. Let's upload and see this. So let's clear our output port. 1 first, plus 2 plus 2, 5, 2 plus 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 2, 13. So increment of 2. Okay, now we can now add another increment of 2. 2 plus j equals 2, j equals 2 plus 2. So let's add another 2 plus 2. Okay, j equals 1, and 1 plus 2 is what? 1 plus 2 is what? 3. So 2 plus 2, let's add 2 plus 2 plus 2. Now let's see what we are going to come up with. Good. So let's clear our output. So first of all, you have 1, 5. That is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. So j is 1. So add 1, add 4 to 1. So 5. 5. Okay. 13 plus 4, 15. 17. Sorry. 17 plus 4, 21. So that is it. So you see now how you can be able to add what? Add, print. Whatever you are adding here is also printing it for you here. Whatever you are adding here is also printing it for you here. See what we did here? So we use the integer j, and j is equals to 1. So we go over to other things we can add to this, so to make it more lively, so that you understand truly, you understand how this serial port and print command, how you can use it to add more values to your what? To your Arduino programming. I just want you to understand this, because there will be a point that this will bring up this thing will come up. You will find out that without you having the knowledge of how to write this, it will be a roadblock for you. You are not going to move forward. So it's not something that you can skip. Try as much as you can to understand how to write, how to print in Arduino print command using what? Your serial monitor, so that there will be a time you feed in sensors and you have to see actually what is going on. So you call up your serial monitors, you can now see actually what is happening to those sensors that you added, and whatever you have coded inside, have to see it. So that is it. So let's go to other things so that I can show you other things we are going to. Okay, once again we are going to introduce another variables called strings. String is when you want to introduce a character, like integers when you want to introduce a whole number or integer number, and float when you want to introduce a decimal point. So strings when you want to introduce a character A, B, C, D, and rest of them. So we use a string. So let's go and see how we can use strings to print out strings, how we can use strings in Arduino IDE. Okay, let's go. Okay, so that is it. Here we are in our IDE. Okay, I've written some codes with strings. Okay, this is okay, if you're following me, I added this string. So now I say string, and my string equals to column j inverted comma j equals inverted comma, and they end it with what? With semicolon. So this is inverted comma. I hope I'm correct. Okay, so that is it. So that is how you can introduce. I introduce this variable, and here I declare the variable here serial.print my string, which is this my string, and my string is equals to what? Inverted comma j equals inverted comma equals inverted comma. This is how you can represent a character in the Arduino IDE. Okay, so, and remember that j we declared here is equals to 1, and here I said serial print in line j, and j is equals to j plus 1, j plus 2. That is adding 2 to this one, you have 3. So after 3, he had 3. 3 plus 2, he had 5. So it will be increasing. It will be increasing an increment of what? Plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Okay, so let's play it, and I will do something here. I will say print in line, just like I have here. Print ln. Okay, now let's upload and see. Okay, have happy little green bar. Okay, so j equals to 1, j equals to 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. J equals to, okay, now it's still on the vertical aspect, which is wrong formatting. Let's go in and make it, let it go on the horizontals. We have j equals to 1, j equals to, okay, let's do it that way. And here, like I told you, you remove this one and you just write print. Just print my strings. It's a string. The j is what you're printing, and j is what is my string. You declare here, this is the first one, integer j is equals to 1. In strings, my j is equals to what? My string, and j is equals to inverted comma, j equals inverted comma, and we end it with what? Semicolon. So okay, so let's do it and see. Let's print, let's upload and see. Let's play it. Okay, we start. Okay, j equals to 1, j equals to 3, 3 plus 2, j equals to what? 5. Okay, I can decide to say 1 plus j equals to j plus 1, j plus 1, and let's see. Let's clear the output. J equals to j plus 1. So j equals to 1, j equals to 2. Okay, now we can now say j equals to j plus 0 plus 0. Okay, and let's upload and see. Let's clear. Okay, j equals to 1 and j equals to 1, because 1 plus 0 is what? 1. J equals to 1, j equals to 1. Okay, we can say j equals to j. Let's see. Okay, okay, let's upload. Oh, let's clear output and see. J equals to 1 and j equals to 1 and j equals to 1 and j equals to 1. Okay, we can just say don't print. Let's remove throughout. Okay, let's upload and see. Let's see. J equals to 1, j equals to 1, because you didn't tell it. You said serial print j, and you will just print j here. J equals to 1, j equals to 1. So okay, so that is it. Okay, let's go again and see. J equals to 1 plus 2, 3. Okay, so this is how we added string, a variable of string. This is how we added strings, and the string, we added string, like I told you, when you want to add a character, once your Arduino IDE to print a character J, print K, A, anything you can use as a character. So you introduce an integer of what? Introduce a variable of what? Of strings. Okay, so that is. Let's go further and see how we can add more values and more spice to this tutorial in this topic. Okay, just like I said, let's bring more spice to the tutorial, and let's add another variable. So let's put a okay, so now we have you have a, b, c, and I said a is equals to, I use integer. A is equals to what? A is equals to 2, and b is equals to what? And b is equals to 3. And integer c, I didn't declare it, but I am here I say c is equals to a plus b. I say serial dot print what? Print z. So, and I have my long delay, and my delay is what? It's 3000 milliseconds. So now let's see what this one can come up with. Okay, let's apply that. See. Okay, what is this? Z was not declared in this scope. Z was not declared in the scope. Okay, print try dot print z. Okay, try dot print c. Okay, see the mistake here. I use z y c. Okay, I use c. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, boom. Then we open our serial monitor and let's see what is it printing. It's printing 5, which is what? Another 5, which is what? It's printing 5. That's 2 plus 5. Since we said here 2 plus 3 is what? It's 5. Now okay, look, this is the mathematics we did here. A plus b, which is a is equals to 2 and a is equals to 2 and b is equals to 3, so it's supposed to be 3 plus 2, and I say serial print what? Print c, which is c. We declare c here is equals to a plus b, and we say print c. We didn't say print in line, so it's printing like this. So let's say print l and c. Then we can now introduce string so that it will now show us what we're actually doing here. Okay, so let's do it and see. So print in line ln, and the last upload. Okay, okay, so now we have 5 5 5 5. Okay, now let's add some more code so that we can see what we are doing here. You can see what we are doing, actually how we came about this, so that you can write some characters here, some alphabets here in your, sorry, yes, when I mean in this place. Put some characters here. You can see it. Yes, put some characters there. Okay. Okay, so just like I said, let's so that we can see what we are doing here. Okay, when I print this, you just see. Okay, let me open my serial monitor again. What you just see is 5, because a plus b is equals to what? Is equals to 2 plus 3, which is 5. Okay, so that we can be able to see actually what we are doing here. So we are going to print x, and we are going to print what? Well, sorry, we are going to print a. We only serial print c. We only printed c. So that's what we are seeing. The only c equals to what? A plus b. So we are going to print a. We are going to print plus. We are going to print b. So how can we print that? So, and before here, we come here and say, okay, from here, we print from here. Okay, so serial print, serial, sorry, capital letter serial dot print, serial dot print what? A. Serial dot print bracket a, bracket closes, semicolon, and okay, then plus. We're going to print plus. Let's see how we can print plus. We have to use a string. Okay, we have to edit our string. Okay, so let's go. Serial dot print serial dot print serial dot print plus. Okay, sorry, dot print plus. Okay, am I correct? I don't think I'm correct. We are going to declare plus variables. The variable of plus, we are going to declare it here. So where we say string is string, my string is what? Equals to inverted comma opens j equals inverted comma closes and the half semicolon. So what we are going to do here, we are going to declare it. Let's declare it here. What is what? Okay, which is inverted equals to plus here. Okay, which is equals to, okay, sorry for making editing. Okay, so plus, okay, inverted comma closes. Okay, so that is it. So now it becomes my string. So now I will say it is what? My string. In brackets, I'll put my string. My string. I think I'm correct. I have X here. Okay, I'm correct now. Close this semicolon. Okay, what again? We have declared plus. Okay, C equals to. Okay, now what again are we going to declare? Bravo. Okay, B. We are going to declare B. So okay, so serial print B. So serial dot print B. Serial. Okay. Serial dot print B. Print B. Okay. Okay. What again is there in this place that we have not declared? Okay, we have a equals to. Okay, we have equals to, which we didn't declare here in our variables here, but we can still add it here. Just okay, let me use that one to show you. You can still add it here even if you didn't declare it up there. So okay, let me put enter serial print. So we are printing all these things. We will print all of them. C is equals to A plus B. So we are going to print all of them. Even the equals to, we are going to print it out. Okay, so serial. Right now I'm using small letter. Serial dot print serial dot print. Okay, mark opens. Okay, remember what we did here when we are adding plus. Remember what we did here? We put a inverted comma. So plus equals to inverted comma closes, and you have your what? You have your bracket, and you have your semicolon. Okay, so I think we have declared everything here. Now we'll go ahead and print, and let's see how it looks like. Okay, let's go. Good. Okay, let's open our serial monitor and see. Okay, 2 plus. Okay, yeah. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. 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 Okay, so that is it. And this is the end of the drill. Okay. So this is the end of the drill. In this place, we'll call it a day on our serial monitor. And that is the end of it. Okay, so on our next topic, we are going to do more on if statements. We are going to if statements. So that is it. In our next topic, we are going on if statements. See, to program Arduino, to do programming, is not, you have to bring out time. It has to bring out your patience. You must have patience. You must bring out time. You must be sensitive to details. You must follow the instructions. You are not the person that invented Arduino or produced Arduino or write the IDE, so you will follow the sequence. Most of these things we are doing in Arduino IDE, mathematically, the way we are being structured in school is not aligned. I know it's not aligned with your English all the English, where to put dots and where to cross your T's and where to put your I's and the rest of them, it is not corresponding. It looks as if we are trying to learn a new language. That is it. You are learning a new language, and that is what IDE, Arduino programming language. That's what you're learning. So expect to see anything. Expect to see even L turn upside down. Expect to see B turn upside down, and you have to follow it that way so that you can get your results. So that is just it. So I have to clear this so that my students will not misunderstand whatever we are doing here. Okay, so that is it. So see you next time in our next tutorial on this Arduino. This should be tutorial number 17 or 18 tutorial. Okay, we are moving forward. We are moving forward. Ahead. We're moving ahead. Okay, see you next time. If this video makes sense to you, please like and share so that others will benefit. And your one and only Mr. Great here in Mr. Great Tech Review Studio, bringing you technological updates and also bringing technology to your doorstep. Bye-bye for now, and remain blessed. God bless you.